Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we'll show how to number pages in Word. Step 1. Launch Microsoft Word and open the specific document where you want to add page numbers. Step 2. Open the Insert tab in the Word toolbar. Locate the header and footer section within it, offering options for working with headers and footers. Click on the Page Number button to access page numbering options. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting different page numbering styles and placement options. Choose the desired style, such as adding page numbers at the top, header, or bottom, footer of the page. Step 4. For further customization, select Format Page Numbers from the drop-down menu. This opens a dialog box allowing adjustments to the numbering format, like using Roman numerals, letters. Once done, click OK. Step 5. If you wish to specify the starting number or other settings, set the starting number in the Started field, then click OK to apply the changes. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.